Let's walk you through how to use your wireless remote controller for your light commercial or CAC products. Many of the buttons and functions are self-explanatory. The power button is going to turn your system off and on. The mode button is going to switch between the different modes: auto, cool, dry, which can be used for high humidity areas, fan, which will be just a fan's mode, and you can use your fan up and down button to change the speed of the fan, and heat, which is heating mode. You have your timer button, which can be set to set the number of hours that you would like the unit to run, off and on. The option button, which is the different types of options, can be used to do different settings within the remote, doing the beep, the lighting, the clean filter, reset, indirect and direct fans. You hit the set button, you have your directional arrows there as well. You'll notice on this remote you have two different louver buttons. You'll have a vertical louver button, which will adjust your louver vane up and down, and you have your horizontal louver button, which will adjust the left and right swing of your different louvers. And you'll notice the icon there on the remote. That is a quick overview of the functionality of the remote. Thank you.
For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.